guys, we got an unboxing video to do today. This one's arrived yesterday, and just to let you know, guys, this is sponsored product, and let's see what's inside. This was sent to me by a company to review. It's a condenser mic, and the price of this one on Amazon is £54.99. Tonor TC20 XLR condenser microphone. 2 years warranty, it says on the box. And we got this condenser microphone, boom arm set, shock mount, pop filter. In the box is we got a 2-year warranty card, the instruction manual, and we got how to set it up. And we'll have a look at this later. So here is the box. So we got this, the microphone holder, the clamp to go on the table, like that. Got the clamp, quite solid. It's made of metal. There's a bit of weight on it. It's solid metal. I think it's secure. And here's the microphone. Oh, this is solid. I like it. There's a bit of weight on it. Got the logo in here. It's called Tonor TC20. And here is the boom back, the arm, spring loaded. So there's later on we'll set it up. Get the wires. I like the wires. It's really thick. This one is. These 2 bits here. It's made of metal, foam, some Velcro to secure the wires. Now the filter, nice. This one, the flexi arm, it's made of metal. And it feels solid, really flexible, and it looks sturdy. This looks sturdy, see? Hi guys, today we're going to set up the condenser microphone. I got this, the phantom power. This is to power the condenser microphone. So what we're gonna need is we put the XLR cable to the input, and put another XLR cable to the output adapter to convert the 6mm jack to 3.5mm jack, so that I can connect it to the computer. Okay, you get the phantom power, so XLR to the output. There you go. And then the XLR to XLR. This one will connect to the microphone. This is the power cable for the phantom power. There you go. You just press the button for 3 seconds and you turn itself off. Let's turn it up for now. There you go. So we know that one is working. So we get the manual in there. You get the mic cradle. This one, the clamp. You get the clamp. You get we'll put the microphone on later. You get the boom. Let's set the boom arm. Set it up. I haven't read the manual. I just kind of trying to just figure it out how things work. It's like a puzzle. It's like a puzzle. This is the clamp. Like that. Oh yeah, you just slot it in. Oops. I think I need to move it. And here's the mic. Now the filter, you just clap it on the arm. That's what it shows in there. You just clap it on the arm. This one, the input.